The question for this episode is, whenever we try to use force colon record data tag in LDS, what is the advantage that we get when we try to compare with other LDS based tags, which are namely Lightning Record Form, Lightning Record View Form, Lightning Record Edit Form? And the answer is, whenever we try to use force colon record data, we get access to this attribute here. And what this attribute does is, whenever any of these events are performed, it's going to invoke this action handler. Now let me try to throw some more light onto this. When we use force colon record data, and when this component is dragged and dropped onto the record page of any S object, as of now, that component is dragged and dropped onto the account record page, and this is the component. When we drag and drop the component here, and when this component has got force colon record data, it is going to fetch the record and it is going to push the record into this attribute, which is simple record. Now, once when the record is loaded, it's going to invoke this action handler. And if you go back to the action handler, if the change type is loaded, we can execute a piece of code. Likewise, when there is any error in the process of fetching the record, this attribute is going to invoke this action handler. If the change type is error, we can execute a different set of statements. And whenever we try to remove the record or delete the record, this attribute again is going to invoke this action function. And if the change type is removed, it's going to invoke this piece of code. And the last one is the most important one, which is whenever we try to change any fields of the record which is stored in this attribute, it's going to make sure that this action function is invoked. And in the action function, using this piece of code, we can also get access to the old value and the new value. Let me give you some sort of visual confirmation. Let me go back to the browser real quick. I'm going to pull this sucker up. Let me reload the page. Now this component here is going to fetch the record and it is going to push it into the attribute called simple record, which means the record got loaded. Back in the developer console, if the change type is loaded, we are trying to log this message. Likewise, if I try to change the value of any field, let me go back to details. And then I'm going to change this from Burlington Textiles to Burlington Textiles Corp of America. I'm going to click the save button. The record gets saved and it is going to log us this message. And if you notice it, it is giving us access to the modified fields and their old values and new values. System mod stamp got modified, name got modified, and last modified date got modified. Now, this is the advantage that we get with force colon record data when you try to compare it with any of the LDS based tags. That's all for this episode. See you in the next one.